Hey, welcome back to T Academy. In the previous video, we install VS Code and prepare Python for programming. Now, we are going to write and run our very first Python program. Let's get started. At the first place, we have to create a new folder on our desktop. So you can right click on your desktop, new, after that new folder. Then name the folder Python Basic. Okay, the folder Python Basic. Then open this folder in VS Code. How to open it in VS Code? Right click on the folder, open with VS Code. Click here, open with VS Code. Then click. The folder will open with VS Code. So you can close this part and this welcome part you can close. Then the folder is here, Python Basic. What you have to do now, we have to create a file. This is here is a new file, here is a folder, but you have to create a file. We click here, the first one. You click here and then name the file hello.py. Py is the Python.py is the Python extension. That tells the computer that this program is a Python file. So if you click the hello.py, then you have to write your first Python program. Then you have to write printer, okay, printer, and hello world, printer, hello world. Then run it. How to run it? It's very simple. You can come here, this part, okay. Save it first. You have to take Control S to save it. Then come to this part, run Python file. You click there. When you click that, the terminal will open. This is the terminal, and you will see here hello world. Hello world is there. Then we can continue writing another message. Like I can say printer, okay, printer, welcome, okay, welcome to T Academy. I can say that welcome to T Academy. Okay, then you can save it and run again. And this message will show here. It will show, the two messages will show. Then if I want, I can remove the first one or I can write down, no problem. Then you can write another message, printer, I'm learning Python. Okay, you can write that one and again. Printer, I'm learning Python. Okay. Okay, I'm learning Python here. I'm learning Python. So you can execute it again and you will show the message here. I'm learning Python. So after that, you can write any message you want, you can write it here. And this is your first Python program. If all this shows on the terminal, all this is on the terminal, so this is your first Python program. Now, what we have to do, you can write a message again saying, my name is printer. You can give your name now, printer. Okay, you give your name. My name is okay, you can write my name is you give your name. Okay, you can give your name there, no problem. So printer, my name is you give your name. Then you can execute it again. When execute, oh yes. Right. So this is the error. Why the error occur here? Because I did not put a quotation. So this one I have to show you. If you write without quotation, the error will appear. So you have to put in at least double quotation or single quotation. So this one, if you start with double quotation, you have to continue with double quotation. If you start with single quotation, you can continue with single quotation. Okay, so let me put single quotation and execute again. Then the message will show here. My name is. So here, Python is a case sensitive. You have to put a quotation in the, if you want to write a message. We'll talk at the end, we'll talk about we'll talk about print. We talk about a printer. Printer is showing the message on the screen. So print is to show the message on the screen. We'll talk about this function, print function. So the next video we'll see now variables, okay, variables, data types, and conditions, loops. That will be now the starting with a Python program. So let's meet in the next video, practice and practice.